Alrighty, we're at Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. We're at Miners Beach. There's been some storms come in today. There's a surf advisory. And we're getting ready to be up here at an overlook. We're gonna look on this overlook and then we're gonna walk a little bit on the North Country Trail, which is a really great long distance trail. A lot of it hugs the coast up here. So let's see what the view looks like. I think the waves are going to be incredible. All right, this is the North Country Trail, and it is beautiful. Man, I love dramatic weather. Look at that. It's just roaring out here. I'd love to backpack this part of this sometime. Out there, you start getting the cliffs that are famous here for Pictured Rocks. You have the minerals that come down the side of the stone there. Look at that. Oh, I love this trail. It's great. So beautiful. Real popular to take boat rides out there, and when you get up close you can see a lot of different colors and patterns. I haven't done that yet. We might have done that this time, except we have our little dog Cotton with us. They don't let you take dogs out on those boat rides for some reason. Alright, I'm going to pause this a little bit so I can take it all in. Oh. Looks like Oregon.
Yeah, it does.
What is this park called, Jeremiah? Porcupine Mountains? Wilderness State Park?
Campground over there.
Well, we're in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan still. We've been doing this trip where we like to come up here and explore. There is so much to see. And we're here at this park at one of our favorite areas. I'm not going to pronounce it correctly, but it's Presque Isle, something like that. We just went over a beautiful bridge on a beautiful river. I'll show you. We'll walk back that way and I'll show you what it looks like. We basically come here just for this. We love it so much. But this is where the trail takes you out to the lake. You enjoying the view?
Enjoying my little sip. You want some?
No, I'm not really thirsty yet. So this is Lake Superior out here. Look at the ferns. I think that might be a broadleaf fern, but I'm not sure. Let's see what Lake Superior looks like over here in this park. It always looks a little different according to what your beach is like. Pretty calm today. Look at that. So calm. Oh, look at all this driftwood. A lot of driftwood on this beach. A lot of rocks. That's cool. Ooh, look at this. What's this piece of flat? Oh, that's cool. What do we got here? I see a piece of granite. I think a lot of this is igneous. A lot of volcanic activity shaped this park, and glacial activity. Oh, look at those people. That's very picturesque. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice photograph. I might take that photograph. Hold on. All right, let's see what the rocks look like that are in the water. They're always prettier when they're wet. So many rocks. Oh, cool. We're in copper country here. I don't know if you find it in the lake water or not. I was talking to a lady at a rock shop yesterday, and she said some people around here go around with metal detectors and they find iron and they polish it up. And it looks cool. Little flies are landing on me. Oh, look at this. That's cool. Ew, flies are getting all over me. Yuck. I looked down and I had 5 flies on my leg. I put on some bug stuff. All right, we've walked away from the lake. I had to get away from those flies. I swear I know Michigan's famous for their bugs, but we're kind of off season, so it's the very end of August. I didn't think we'd have any issue. I do have some bug spray on, or this kind of salve that has anti-bug stuff in it. But I looked down at my calf because I felt something. And there were like 5 or 6 flies just sitting on my calf in one spot. It was so creepy. So here's the bridge we came across that I mentioned. The view is spectacular. Here we go. Did you want to go up at all?
No, we got some more to do over here.
This bridge shakes. There it is. Now the brown is from tannins that are that are naturally occurring. Tannins is it's the same thing that makes your tea brown. All right, we're gonna go up those stairs. Then there's a boardwalk along the creek. We're gonna go up that. I guess it's a river. All right, we're out on the trail that runs along the river. Thought I'd show you what this looks like. Oh yeah. I like the way this is rock layers. I just saw a sign that said this is made up of a shale called None Such Shale. And the little town we're staying in, I noticed it has a store called None Such Coffee, I think it was called. And I was like, why is it it's called None Such? And I just thought it was like that they were being kind of cute and quirky, but I guess that's there's a name of their bedrock around here. But look at this lovely area we just got on. This whole trail has been great. I just passed a sign saying this is the largest stand of old growth forest in the Midwest. And I would believe it because look at those beautiful trees. Did you see these beautiful trees, Jeremiah? Ooh, I like that view right there. That's a good photograph. I'm gonna take a photograph of that when I'm done. Look at that. Look at those trees. And then look at this. I did not know we were getting to this secondary falls. Look how beautiful that is. I almost didn't come up this way because I just wanted the quickest route back to the car. I'd done a lot of stairs. I love that pine tree right there. I think that's a hemlock. That falls is cool. Probably doesn't look as good in the camera, but that's pretty big and makes a big, impressive view. Some clouds are moving in like we might get rain. How are you doing, Jeremiah?
Good.
Are you enjoying your hike?
Yep. I was just noticing how well my LL Bean Maine
Department of
Inland Fisheries and Wildlife bag was holding up.
Jeremiah really likes bags and backpacks. He basically has an obsession. But this is his new LL Bean pack he loves. Show us what you have in there.
Well,
You always have a lot of EQ.
stuff sack was holding bottles. Apparently it's holding.
You have a cotton treat.
This outside stuffer, yeah.
He's gonna like that later. We left him in the car
Zip pocket.
with the AC on.
Got me a Bushnell spot and scope.
Oh, that's handy.
Some Neosporin.
Neosporin, that's a good idea.
Ace Band-Aid.
Oh, in case we get an ankle twisted?
Yeah.
Wow.
A light for my hike.
Oh, cool. I didn't know you had all that in there.
Okay, well, it's it's one of the 10.
I might want to borrow some of that stuff sometime.
What else? Got the bear spray.
You brought the bug spray? That was a great idea.
I got a pocket up here that's waterproof. Got some
Oh,
masks.
you have a waterproof pocket?
Yeah. I got wallet.
We don't need masks on this trail.
I got some crackers. I got random pills, including ibuprofen.
That's always a good idea. You never know. We might get stuck
Got a
out.
battery with no cord. Got a switch.
Jeremiah. That is so heavy.
Bottle.
We're just on a little.
That doesn't go in the water.
We're just on a little 1 hour trail. Isn't that so heavy to carry?
That just means you can carry whatever you want.
You know, I bet that makes for good exercise because you're basically rucksacking where you carry a heavy pack on purpose to get in shape.
Got crackers.
Oh, those look good.
Got some earphones. In case you need to rock out on the trail. Got accoutrement, Serena stuff.
Oh, you're carrying my stuff. Thanks.
Yeah. And then I got the Kindle.
You brought your Kindle?
It's Christmas.
Your big fat Christmas present Kindle? Oh my gosh.
Yep, Kindle.
Your pen is still on there even.
Yep. Great.
Wow, dude.
There you go.
Aren't you groaning under all that weight?
No, I'm pretty strong. And I take the ibuprofen.
Yeah. Oh, that's funny. All right, I'm gonna turn this off. I'll start recording again.
Wait, there's more.
Oh no, there's more. Oh
There's a
no.
glasses pocket with a
Glasses!
glasses.
Wow.
And some shades for my.
I'm glad you're carrying extra glasses, because what if you dropped yours and then...
I'd be stuck in the woods.
Yeah. All right, is that it?
That's
All
it.
right. Thank you for the tour of your backpack.
No problem.
All right, I'm gonna turn this off. We'll restart if something gets cool. I just saw this porcupine for the porkies. Isn't that cute? I wonder if the park did that or if a person carved on it. I think a person carved on it. And the porcupine looks a little bit like the UP of Michigan. If the park. Well, we finished our walk. Next we're gonna go check out a scenic road I wanna look at. It's called Black River Scenic Highway, Byway, something like that. Anyway, just thought I'd show you. Looks like a nice storm's coming in, and now it's cooled down. It's gotten a little breezy. Okay, we're in a museum in Copper Country, but we're in this beautiful old building, and we're in this room that's for watching a movie. But look at this room. Coat hooks go all the way around. You see all those coat hooks? But look at how many doors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's a door up there.
The Copper Country is
And look at this.
all hard work, attitude,
By the way, this is
simple life,
this is called,
raising your children.
what's the name of the Keniwa National Historical Park. It's part of the National Park System. Look at this old-fashioned people. Isn't that cool? Oh, I want this. There's one over here too. I'll show you it. Look. And it's real big on the outside of the door. I'll show you. Look, more coat hooks. This is what that looks like on the outside, the people. Let me see what the bathroom looks like. Oh, it's okay. I thought it might be a cool historic building. All right, I'm gonna watch the movie. Okay, today we've been driving up the Keweenaw Peninsula.
Rockway.
We're still in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, and if you look at a map, there's a peninsula on this western side of the UP. We're on that peninsula. We're almost to the very tippy top. We're 10 miles away from Copper Harbor. And there was this scenic drive called Rockaway, I think. And it brings you up and you can see, it's high elevation. And you can see water all around Lake Superior. So this is where we are. They have a big map here, I'll show you. It's very windy. It's been windy all day. There we go. That's the peninsula I was talking about. And we're up there. You are here. We're on top of a big mountain. Well, not a big mountain, but big for up here. I'll show you the other part. Doggy. Hi, doggy. There's a little lake out here with an island in the middle of it. And first thing when we got here, Jeremiah noticed it and he goes, "Look at that lake with an island in the middle of it." Here, I'll show you. pine trees. Ooh, it's windy. I can't believe some people have been standing right there because that's a cliff. That's it. We're gonna get in the car and drive the rest of the way to Copper Harbor. Then we'll turn back around and go to our campsite for the night. We've come down off the side of that overlook and we're here at the Copper Harbor overlook. So we're at the tippy top of that peninsula and we're gonna take a look at this overlook. It looks beautiful. That is gorgeous. Oh my word. Beautiful up here, Jeremiah. I love this. Love it. Look how cute Copper Harbor is. What a real nice looking little town.
A little like ship out there. A little
Oh, I think there's a boat that goes to Isle Royale from here.
Oh, you think it's the ferry?
Well, I know there's one that goes there from here.
Probably the ferry.
Cold, Cotton. It's cold. Cotton! Cotton! He's sleeping in the air. Cotton! 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 Let's go get you a snack, Cotton.